Hello, good morning!
Morning!
Magandang araw! So for this video, pupunta tayo na sa Millennium Hotel. Okay, we will see you later!
Yeah, bye!
Bye! Hello, update! So dito na tayo sa building Millennium Hotel. Laki pala ng Millennium Hotel, no?
Oo.
So we're currently here in Millennium Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. So this is the Millennium Hotel. So this is a 5-star hotel here in Salmia, located in Salmia. At tong taas-taas ng video para natin ma-upload sa YouTube. Charis! So this is the Millennium Hotel. So asa mang entrance ani? Dili? Okay, we're currently here in elevator. So this is comfort room here. So how beautiful. So nice here. Alright, dito na tayo sa venue. So, early bird.
Sure.
Pinakauna. Ka mga gwapa, eh.
Ano, Miss Congeniality.
Congeniality. Laki ng area nila, oh. So, expect may matatanggap kami mamaya.
Of course.
Ano yung naka? Para mga gwapa today. Alright, so dito tayo.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. This is only for vlog. This is part of my vlog.
Are you from crew also?
No. Tatlo na kami. Si ate. Oh, say hi to my vlog, ate.
Say hi. Hi.
Kaya pala maliit kasi dito pala sila kumakain, oh.
Cauliflower ang kuha ka na lang ito.
Gusto daw niyang cauliflower.
Yeah, sarap yan ang cauliflower, promise.
This is the Millennium Buffet. So let's check here. Tanaw na ito kung sa ilang pang pagkaon. Okay? So ang ganda ng presentation nila. Meron din silang olive. If you want to drink coffee. We have also here dessert. And the main course is here. Yan, tapos na kami kumain sa buffet. So we're all now full and ready to have it. So it's time to break. It's a break time, so let's eat the dessert. Snack. Wow, Chloe.
Lamig kayo.
Alright, say hi to my vlog.
Lamig kayo.
Ate,
Mayat na yan.
say hi to my vlog.
May vlog ka? Lamig.
Alright, so the training of Babyliss has been already done.
It's done.
Alright, this is the view of the lobby here in Millennium Hotel. Ayan, yung mga kasama ko, ang iba umuwi na. Ayan, so mga sexy at mga magaganda. Sana all maganda.
Sana all.
And this is the view, so it's really nice, the ambience.
Sana pwede mo ko picture.
So this is the Millennium Hotel.